restart. I got a crack in my plastic gas tank. I'm going to show you how I fix it. I've seen a lot of these videos on YouTube, but I've never seen anybody do it quite like this. I got some of these HDPE rods from my buddy Jeff Bezos. He sent those to me. I don't see him that often, but we do exchange gifts quite a bit. Bring that GoPro in close so you get a look at this crack.
What GoPro?
The camera.
Right, this is just an old cell phone.
Well, it's neither here nor there. The people need to see this crack. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, you back up please, my love. What I'm going to do is I'm going to heat up this nail with this torch, and I'm going to run it while it's red hot down this crack and kind of open it up a little bit. And then I'm going to burn this HDPE rod. I'm going to drip it in there. All right. You getting this, baby?
Mm-hmm.
I did this once before on a tractor gas tank, and it's been holding for several months now, so I think it works pretty good. I might save you some expense of buying a special tool. Alright, so I made a little trench in it with the hot iron. And I'm going to catch this on fire. I'll start the... Ooh, actually, I don't think... Yeah, I don't want to do that yet. Actually, I kind of want to do this at the same time. It's cooling off. I want to keep it hot. So, get this going. I'm going to reheat it with the iron, and then I'm going to start this conflagration process here. As I heat it with the iron, I'm going to follow right behind it and drip that in there. And I think scientifically, this is the best way to do this, because that heat is breaking all those bonds, all those covalent bonds, those hydrogen bonds. They're all breaking loose, and the free electrons are out looking for fresh protons to mate up with. And then as it cools, they're all going to find each other, and they're going to be real happy. And I think it's going to seal up real nice. It looks kind of ugly right now, but I'm going to let that cool off, and then I'll try to clean it up with a knife. One thing that's important, I don't want you to beat yourself up if this doesn't go as well for you. Sometimes when you're working with a new medium or a new process, things just don't always go right the first time. And a lot of times it's not your fault. I think what you'll find happens a lot of times is climate change will mess it up. And I don't really understand the scientistics of that. I don't know if it like gets up in there or something, or maybe too many cow farts in the air, messing up the stoichiometric ratio. But let's see if this will shave down. I'll work on that for a minute, and then I'll show you the finished product.
All right, here's the finished product. As you can see, there's some discoloration, which is unfortunate, but I guess you just got to expect it with that, from the latent heat of entropy of the combustialization process. Probably left that behind. But I did fill it up full of gas, and it's not leaking. So that's a pretty good win. Oh, all right. Thanks for watching.